Hello students, now we will start question number 6 from exercise 3.3. Question is, take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter. Plot a double bar graph using this data and answer the following. Now at the beginning of the chapter, this data is given and we have to draw the double bar graph to represent this data. Now here this data shows the temperature of different cities, which is maximum. This data represent the maximum and minimum temperature of different cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. Now we have to represent this data on bar graph using double bar graph method. So for that, first of all, on bar graph we will draw a horizontal axis which is x-axis, and we will draw a vertical axis which is y-axis. Now before drawing a graph we have to take a scale. Now for that, seeing this data, I can see here the all values are given in the tenth, like 32, 41, 39, like that. So here we can take scale 1 unit equal to 10 degrees centigrade. Centigrade means the unit of temperature, and this blank bar represent the maximum temperature and the shaded bar or highlighted bar represent the minimum temperature of cities. Now here on x-axis I will represent the name of cities, and here on y-axis I will represent temperature in degree centigrade on y-axis. Now first of all, temperature in Ahmedabad, the maximum is 38 degrees centigrade and the minimum is 29 degrees centigrade. So to represent that, on the base of Ahmedabad, in the first unit, for maximum temperature, the maximum temperature is 38 degrees centigrade in Ahmedabad. Now as we discussed in previous sums, this unit is divided in equal 5 parts. This one is my 32, 34, 36 and 38 and 40. So here at 38 I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature. Now the minimum temperature is 29 degrees centigrade. 29 degrees centigrade lies between 20 to 30. Now this one is my 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Now so 29 lies between 28 to 30. So here at the middle of 29 I will draw the line which represent the temperature of city Ahmedabad, minimum temperature, which is 29 degrees centigrade. And as we mentioned, the minimum temperature will be highlighted or shaded. So here I will shade this one. Now for Amritsar, maximum temperature in Amritsar is 37 degrees centigrade and minimum is 26 degrees centigrade. For that 37 lies between 38 to 40. So here 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40. So between 36 to 38 I will draw a line which represent that maximum temperature of Amritsar, which is 37 degrees centigrade. Now the minimum temperature is 26 degrees centigrade. So 26 lies between 20 to 30. So here this one is 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. So the third line is 26. So here at 26 I will draw the minimum temperature of Amritsar. So here 4 and 6, 2, 4 and 6. So here I will draw the minimum temperature of Amritsar, which is 26 degrees centigrade, and I will highlight this one. Now for Bangalore, the maximum temperature at Bangalore is 28 degrees centigrade and minimum 21. So to represent that, 28 lies between 20 to 30. So here as we done earlier, 22, 4, 6 and 8. So here at 28 I will mark the bar, and here I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature of Bengaluru city. Now the minimum is 21, so 21 lies between 20 to 22. So this one is 20 and this one is 22. So here the middle line of 20 to 22 is my minimum temperature. So for that, here the middle line of 20 to 22 is my minimum temperature of Bengaluru. I will set this one. Now for Chennai, maximum temperature in Chennai is 36 degrees centigrade and minimum is 27. So the maximum is 36 and minimum is 27. To represent that, 36, 32, 34, 36. So here I will draw a bar at 36 which represent the maximum temperature of Chennai city, and the minimum temperature of Chennai is 27 degree. 27 lies between 26 to 28. So this one is my 22, 24, 25, 26 and 28. So here the middle line of 26 to 28 is my minimum temperature of Chennai city. Here I will mark the line and I will draw the bar which represent the minimum temperature of Chennai city, and I will highlight this one. Now for Delhi, the maximum temperature is 38 degrees centigrade and minimum is 28 degrees centigrade. So here 38 lies between 30 to 40. So here this one is my 32, 34, 36, 38. So here at 38 I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature of Delhi. Now the minimum temperature of Delhi is 28 degrees centigrade. So as we drawn earlier, 28 is between this one 20 to 30, 22, 24, 25, 26, 28. So here at 28 I will draw the bar which represent the minimum temperature of Delhi city, and I will highlight this one. Now same for Jaipur. The maximum temperature is 39 degrees centigrade and minimum 29. So 39 lies between 38 to 40. So here between 38 to 40, the middle of 38 to 40 represent the temp. I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature of Jaipur city. So here I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature of Jaipur city. Now the minimum temperature for Jaipur city is 29 degrees centigrade. So for that 29 same lies between 28 to 29. So the middle line of 28 to 30 is my minimum temperature for Jaipur city. So here I will draw the bar which represent the minimum temperature of Jaipur city, and I will shade this one. Now next one is Jammu. At Jammu, maximum temperature is 41 degrees centigrade and minimum is 26 degrees centigrade. So 41 lies between 40 to 42, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. So between 40 to 42, the middle line of 40 to 42 is my maximum temperature of Jammu city. So here I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature of Jammu. Now the minimum is 26 degree. So here 26 means 22, 24, 26. So here at 26 I will draw the bar which represent the minimum temperature of Jaipur city, and I will shade this one. Now for Mumbai. The maximum temperature in Mumbai is 32 and minimum is 27. So at 32 I will draw the bar which represent the maximum temperature of Mumbai. So here I will draw the bar which will represent the maximum temperature of Mumbai city, which is 32 degrees centigrade. Now the minimum temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. Now 27 lies between 28 to 26 to 28. So in between that, the middle line for that, I will draw a bar at 27 which represent the minimum temperature of Mumbai city, which is 27 degrees centigrade. So this is how we have to draw the following graph. Now this graph shows the maximum and minimum temperature of following cities. Now there are some questions which we have to answer. The first one is, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? Now we have to find which city is having the maximum largest difference between minimum and maximum temperature. So for that, seeing the bars of Jammu, we can say the largest difference between maximum and minimum temperature is in Jammu, because here we can clearly see the maximum difference is, the largest difference is here in Jammu. So we can write Jammu has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date. Now the next question, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? For we will observe this graph and we have to check which city is having the hottest temperature and which one is having the coldest. Now hottest means the maximum temperature and coldest means the minimum temperature. Now seeing this data, here we can say the tallest bar is for Jammu, which is having 41 degrees centigrade temperature. So the lowest temperature is in Bengaluru city, which is 21 degrees centigrade. So the hottest place is Jammu and the coldest place is Bengaluru. So for that we can write Jammu is the hottest city, which is having 41 degrees centigrade temperature, and Bengaluru is the coldest city, which is having 21 degrees centigrade. Now the next question is, name two cities where minimum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. Now here we have to see, here in this question we have to compare temperature of two cities where one's maximum temperature is less than others minimum temperature. So here we can see the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad is 38 and the next one is 39 for Jaipur and 41 in Jammu, and minimum temperature in Ahmedabad is 29, minimum temperature in Jaipur is 29 and minimum temperature in Jammu is 26. Now we have to compare, is there any city which maximum temperature is having less than others, which is others minimum temperature. So here we can see the maximum temperature in Amritsar is 37 and maximum temperature in Bengaluru is 28, in Chennai 36, Delhi 38, and after that more than 30. But here we can see the temperature in Bengaluru is less than the maximum temperature of is less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad. So here we can clearly see that maximum temperature of Bengaluru is less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad and is also less than the temperature of Jaipur. So we can write maximum temperature of Bengaluru is less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad or Jaipur. Now the next question, name the city which has the least difference between its maximum and the minimum temperature. Now we have to observe which city is having the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. So for that we will observe this graph. Now seeing this graph or seeing that data we can also say, but seeing this graph we can clearly see that difference between maximum and minimum temperature in Ahmedabad is high compared to Bengaluru. Same, the difference between maximum and minimum temperature in Amritsar is also high. Same goes for Bengaluru. But here when we are seeing the temperature of Mumbai, here we can clearly see the difference of minimum and maximum temperature in Mumbai is less. So this is the benefits of graph. We can't have to calculate every time the difference of minimum and maximum temperature. Seeing this graph we can directly say that the difference of maximum and minimum temperature in Mumbai is very least. So we can write Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Question over. If you are having any query or doubt, you may write in comment section. Thank you.